Come along as I head to el Museo Unicaja de Artes y Costumbres Populares de Málaga. Check out this free workshop organized by Fundacion Unicaja together with A2 Paneque Catalan. These events are free to the public and you have to reserve a spot ahead of time. I arrived at 11 o'clock to the museum to sign in. Today we're working with Esparto. It's a coarse grass used for types of wickerwork, ropes, baskets, and a lot more. This is una maja de madera, a palo or stick used to extract the grass from the land. It plays a key role in collecting esparto. We worked alongside an instructor who taught us 3 different types of braiding techniques, including a 3, 5, and 9 plait using esparto. This coarse grass can be worked with damp or dry. It's harvested in summertime and indigenous to southern Spain and northern Africa. It's incredible all the things you can make. Check out this basket for collecting eggs. Let's head into the taberna where the instructor explains the weaving of baskets used for winemaking. Did you know this used to be a 17th century inn? Interested in more? Check out the captions. Life abroad, go for it.